What do you guys think?
We definitely have to appreciate the diligence and dedication of the team this night.
Absolutely. Our creative team members have worked really hard to put together these amazing stage and table decorations. They had a great time working on it, coming up with new ideas over hot chai and yummy kachoris. And they now even have nicknames for each other, like Picasso and Michelangelo. So can we have a round of applause for our creative team? And actually, all of our behind-the-scenes team members will be on stage for the last song, so make sure to feel the appreciation.
But before that is actually the performance that I'm most excited about tonight, the Velaku dance, or the South Indian dance with lights. This is usually a dance predominantly performed in southern India during large celebrations and festivities. The dancers are holding small lamps in their palms while performing graceful movements.
Oh wow! In our culture, we light lamps as a symbol of peace and prosperity. But add to that the graceful movements of the Velaku dance, and I'm sure it must be enchanting.
Absolutely. The song for tonight's performance is called Aragiya Karthike Deepam, which stands for the beautiful festival of lights. இப்போ அழகிய கார்த்திகை தீபத்துக்கு ஒரு நடனம் பார்க்கலாம்.
Thank you.